In front of me is DOOGEE T20, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this DOOGEE. First of all, you need to locate Recorder app. When you find it, click on it. If you never used it before, click on Allow in the pop-up. Then Allow in the other one. Finally, tap on this gear icon on the left and manage all of those options before starting your recording, like format. When you finished, go back and tap on this red button to start recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this left one, and in order to end it and save it, on the right one. To find list of all your recordings, click on this right button, now with 3 lines. As you can see, mine is over here. In order to play it, just click on it. If you want to rename it, go back, hold it, tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner and select rename. Then type in wherever you wish to and tap on save. If you wish to delete it though, hold it as well. But this time tap on this pin next to 3 dots. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!